everyone. So yesterday I neglected to put a video up, so I'm going to combine yesterday's, which is Fridays, and today's, which is Saturdays. So Friday I spent quite a bit of time working on some press releases that are due, and of course engaging in the Telegram channel with community members. Today I did some of the same. Again, the community members in the Telegram channel had a bunch of new interesting questions, which I was happy to answer. And on top of that, I worked on a new addition to the DAV Alliance page. It should be quite informative. It comes together the way I hope it will. And of course, I continued working with our new strategic communications partner on our overall narrative. And that's it for me for today. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi everybody. Today I'm still working on merging and solving conflicts between the charging branch and the routing plan branch. There is some refactoring that needs to be done to put all the puzzle pieces together. So that's it for today for me. Bye!
Hey guys, this week I worked on a new wizard for the creation of flight plans and added 2 new products to our product page for drone charging and route planning utilities. Came out really great. Daniel made some amazing job there with the video, so check it out. And today I had a meeting with Noam and Alec regarding the upcoming meetup we have this week at Google Campus, and research a bit about how drone owners would prefer to upload the route planning, in what format. So if you happen to be a drone owner and you have some input, please let me know. And well, this is it guys, thanks.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I prepared some graphic assets and graphic materials for Alec and Lior's presentation in a blockchain meetup at Google Campus. And then I prepared some new graphic assets for myself to renew my archive. Got some new designs and new graphics from Yuri. Later I'm gonna do the DailyDAV, and then I'm gonna work a little bit on the scammers video. And that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hey guys, today we're welcoming Hi to our team. You're probably going to see him in the DailyDAV as well. And other than that, I'm working on the Gantt for the next few months, planning the tasks. So see you tomorrow guys, bye!
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday I was down in Silicon Valley at the Connected Cars California conference. Met a lot of awesome people, heard a lot of great talks, so that was really good. Today the main focus has been actually doing a lot of follow-up for that event, people I've met, other folks I'm introducing internally here at DAV, and then also we just brought on a new partner to help with the marketing across the Asia countries, so working on some synergies with those folks and making sure that they have all the correct details on everything. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I made 2 sections showing our new mobile app, and it turned out really cool. Today I'll finish our last banners, and after then I'll make a few variants print brand for our test sheets. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.